Hello, children. Good morning to everyone. Hope you are all doing good and staying safe at home. Yes, good children. Today we are going to learn English. Do you all remember what lesson we learned in English? What was the previous lesson? We learned one story. Do you all remember? Yes, it is about the little duckling. Yes, I am happy that you remember. I hope you remember the story. Okay. Can I ask you one question? Yes, I'm going to ask you one question and let me check who and all remember the story. Okay. Name three animals Ducky met on the way to the pond. Who and all she met on the way to the pond? Yes, the little duckling met a sparrow, a rabbit, and a hen on the way to the pond. Very good, children. You're okay. The duckling, when she goes for a walk, she met a sparrow. When she met a sparrow, how she felt? She felt so happy? No. Okay. How she felt? She felt so sad. Why? Because she was not able to stand on the tree like a sparrow. Because she doesn't have a strong feet like a sparrow. When she met a rabbit, she felt she doesn't have a long feet to hop like rabbit. When she met a hen, she felt she doesn't have a claws to scratch for worms in the ground. This is what the duckling felt. But at last we learned one moral from that story. What was it? We should be happy with what we have. This was the previous lesson. Today we are going to learn a poem in English. Okay, the topic of that poem is the raindrops. Look at this picture. By looking at this picture itself, we feel so happy, right? I know children all love to play in water. Am I right? Yes, you people love to play in water. Okay. We have learned 5 seasons in first standard. Do you all remember? Can you name some seasons? Yes, it is summer, winter, monsoon or rainy, spring, autumn. These are the 5 seasons we have learned in first standard. Okay. Which season children like? Yes, I know. All the children like rainy season, right? Okay. I know you people like rainy season. Okay. When you think of rainy season, what comes to your mind? Okay, I'll give a clue. When you go out in the rain, what will you take when you go out? You take umbrella. Yes, you take umbrella. Okay. Other than that, when you think of rainy season, what comes to your mind? You love to play in the rainwater. Am I right? Yes, you love to play in the rainwater. And another one important thing, do you all remember? Look at this picture. Children love to play with the paper boat in the rainwater. You all make colorful paper boats and play in the rainwater. Yes. Another one important thing about rainy season. What is it? Look at this picture. This is the rainbow. Before raining or after raining, the rainbow comes. Look at this rainbow. It is so colorful and beautiful, right? Yes. So when you think of rainy season, these are all the things comes to your mind. We will move on to the poem. Okay. For your first term, this poem will be your memory poem. So we are going to learn this poem line by line and you are going to memorize it. We are going to learn the meaning of each line, understand it, and then you are going to memorize it. Okay, children? Okay, good children you are. The first line is pitter patter raindrops. What do you mean by pitter patter raindrops? Have you heard the sound of the raindrops? When it starts to rain, you can hear some sound, pitch pat like that. Yes, that is what pitter patter raindrops. Okay, so the sound of the raindrop, it is like pitter patter. So the first line is pitter patter raindrops. Okay, the next line, falling from the sky. From where the rain is coming? Yes, you are correct. The rain is coming from the sky. Look at this picture. The rain is coming from the sky. So the pitter patter raindrop falling from the sky. You are correct. Next, look at this picture. Here is my umbrella. This girl is having an umbrella. You all take umbrella when you go out in rainy season. Why you are taking an umbrella? What is the purpose of taking an umbrella? To keep us safe and dry. Yes, this girl is telling to keep me safe and dry. So what is the first line? Pitter patter raindrops falling from the sky. Here is my umbrella to keep me safe and dry. 4 lines we have learnt. Okay, next, when the rain is over. So after the raining, how the land will be? It will be like this. So when the rain is over, it will be like this. Look at this picture. When the rain is over, what happens? And the sun begins to glow. Glow, what do you mean by glow? Glow means the sun shines. Okay, glow means the sun shines. Okay, what happens when the sun shining? Have you all looked at the sun when it is shining? You're not able to, right? Yes, when the sun shines so brightly, you can't even look at the sun with bare eyes. Bare eyes means வெறும் கண்ணால பார்க்க முடியாது. Yes, okay, you are correct. Glow means the sun shines so brightly. That is what the meaning of glow. So when the rain is over, the sun begins to glow. Next line, little flower starts to bud. Okay, what it means? After raining gets over, the sun starts shining. After that, the little flowers start to bud. Okay, have you all looked at all the plants in the rainy season? It looks so green in color. Why? Because the plant needs adequate water supply and adequate sunlight to look healthy and strong. Okay, so in the rainy season it gets adequate water supply, so it looks so bright and green. Okay, and the flowers also will be so colorful. So in the rainy season the little flower start to bud. Okay, then what happens? It starts growing and grow and grow and grow. Only 8 lines in this poem. Okay, what is the first line? Shall we revise? Okay, pitter patter raindrops falling from the sky. Here is my umbrella to keep me safe and dry. When the rain is over, the sun begins to glow. Little flower starts to bud and grow and grow and grow. So why I am doing actions when I teach you poem? When you do the actions, you will remember the lines. Okay, When you memorize this poem with the actions you learn, then you remember, it will be easy for you to memorize the poem. Okay. Okay, look at this picture. This is the picture in your book. This is the poem. Okay, look at this girl. She's having an umbrella, and that is the poem. We'll revise once more. Pitter patter raindrops falling from the sky. Here is my umbrella to keep me safe and dry. When the rain is over and the sun begins to glow, little flower starts to bud and grow and grow and grow. So this is what the poem for you. So go through once again and learn the poem word by word. You learn the poem. Okay. Shall we move on to the book back exercise? You have little bit exercise at the back of the poem. Okay, we will learn. The first exercise is write one word answers. Okay, you are going to answer in one word. First question is, what is falling from the sky? What is falling from the sky? You learned in the poem, right? What is falling from the sky? It is, yes, you are correct. It is raindrops. Raindrops only falling from the sky, right? Yes. What is falling from the sky? Raindrops. The second question is, what sound do the raindrops make? When it is raining, you can hear some sound. Yes? What was it? Yes, it is pitter patter. The first line itself tells you pitter patter raindrops. So the answer is pitter patter. What sound do the raindrops make? Pitter patter. Third question. What keeps the child safe and dry? When you want to keep yourself safe and dry, what you should do? You should take, yes, somebody is telling, yes, you have to take umbrella. That is the answer. What keeps the child safe and dry? Umbrella is the answer. Good children. We'll move on to the next exercise. Fill in the blanks. We give name to each person who do some works. You would have learned in first standard like helpers, are helpers. Do you remember? A person who drives the taxi, they are called drivers. A person who takes care of sick people, nurse. A person who put off fire, they are called firefighters. So we give some names for the special people or helping people, right? Yes, like that you are going to give name for these people. The first question is, a person who flies an aeroplane, they are called what? What is the name given to them? Yes, pilot is the answer. A person who flies an aeroplane is pilot. Correct. Second question. A person who mends your shoes. You all wear shoes when you go to school, right? Yes. When your shoes get torn, what will you do? You will go to one person to stitch your shoes, right? Yes. What name given to them? Can you name? Yes, you are correct. Cobbler. A person who mends your shoes is called cobbler. Third question. Wow, look at this cake. Superb, no? Want to eat? I love to eat cake. Do you all like cake to eat? Yes, it is creamy and strawberries are on top. So colorful. Okay, coming to the point. A person who bakes the cake. What are they called? Give name. Yes, you are correct. They are called baker. You are correct. Next. So we have learned three persons. A person who flies an aeroplane, pilot. A person who mends your shoes called cobbler. A person who bakes the cake called baker. Okay. Next, we'll move on to the next exercise. Tick the correct answer. First question. We read poems to dash. They have given options: enjoy or sleep. We read poems. For what we are reading poems? To enjoy. Yes, the answer is we read poems to enjoy. Second question. Raindrops fall from the dash, school or sky. We have learnt in this poem. Raindrops fall from the school or sky. Yes, you are correct. It is from sky. Raindrops fall from the sky. Third question. An umbrella keeps me dry or wet. An umbrella keeps me dry or wet. When you take umbrella and go out in the rain, how you will be? You will be dry. Yes, an umbrella keeps me dry. You're correct. Fourth question. When the rain stops, the sun dash blooms or shines. I told you the sun starts to glow. What do you mean by glow? It starts shining, right? So the answer is when the rain stops, the sun shines. Okay, you are correct. Next question. Fifth question. Buds grow into dash, seeds or flowers. We have learned this same question in the science lesson, parts of a plant. So the same thing only here also. Buds grow into, you are correct, yes, flowers. You are correct. The answer is correct. Buds grow into flowers. So this exercise over. We'll move on to the assignment session. Okay, you all love to do assignment. I am giving you simple assignment only. You can do. Okay, and you all love to do. Okay, your assignment will be write 2 sentences about the picture. I will give you one picture and you have to write 2 sentences about that picture. Okay, for example, look at this picture. What is this? When you look at this picture, what comes to your mind? Can you make 2 sentences about this picture? I'll tell you. A man has a green car. Is it so? This man has a green car and this man is washing the car, right? Yes, a man has a green car and the second sentence is he washes his car regularly. Okay, you can make any type of sentences. Only 2 sentences you can make about that picture. Okay, the second picture, I will give you one more example. Okay, look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? 2 boys are sitting. Yes. Okay, what they are doing? They are eating grapes, right? Yes, they are eating grapes. They are fighting for grapes? No. What they are doing? They are sharing, right? Yes, they are sharing. Okay. Can you make 2 sentences about this picture? I'll tell you. Rex and Samson are friends. You can give any name. Okay. Rex and Samson are friends. They are sharing grapes. 2 sentences I have made. Yes. Have you understood what I am teaching you? Yes. Look at this picture. Rex and Samson are friends. They are sharing grapes. This is the second picture. And the first picture is car. This man is having a green color car and he washes his car regularly. So we had 2 pictures. Now the time for you to do the assignment. For you, this is the picture. Draw this picture, color this picture. This is the boat, right? Yes, draw a boat, color the boat and write 2 sentences about your boat. Okay, will you all do? You have to do. Okay, draw a boat, color the boat, write 2 sentences about the boat. So I think you have understood whatever I taught you now. So what we have learned today? Today we learned Raindrops poem. It is a memory poem for you. and we have learned book bag exercise, and I have given you one assignment. Okay, do this assignment and have fun. Enjoy it when you color it. Okay, we will meet in the next session. Okay, thank you, children. Bye.